An intuitive search interface is critical for any great online experiences, but oftentimes they can take a lot of effort to build and maintain. In this video, you'll learn how to make design and upkeep simple with Elasticsearch UI. In a few quick steps, you'll learn to easily create a search user interface, as well as how to integrate it into your application. First, let's start by creating a new engine in Elastic App Search. Let's use the sample engine that comes with the 59 U.S. national parks. Now that the data is ingested, let's create a search interface that allows your users to search through the documents. The easiest way to do so is to use the Search UI, which is a tool that allows you to create a custom UI in just a few clicks. In this view, you can select the fields that we'll be using in your search interface. First, select the title field used to display the results. When you click on the field, the respective field is highlighted in the example of the interface. You can also define which fields will be used to filter your results. Let's provide the possibility to filter the national parks by states. By default, your results are sorted by relevance. However, you can also define which fields can be used to sort your documents. Let's select acres as a second sort option. You can use the URL field to define where the users will be redirected when clicking on the result, which can be linked to a website or an application. Once we're done with the configuration, let's click on Generate Search Experience. And that's it. Now you have a modern, fully functional search interface for your users. This interface has auto-completion, highlighting, sorting, and filtering built in as part of the Elasticsearch UI. To integrate it into your application, you can easily download the source code and customize it even more. Let's try it. First, download and extract the zip package. Many files are inside this folder, but let's take a look at the app.js file. The app.js file is where you can update the interface that has been created. This interface was built using a dedicated React library. This library can be used for building search experiences. The UI is built based on multiple components. Each block of the user interface is related to a component, and you can easily update these components to customize your search experience. Finally, to run this search interface locally, just run npm install in the folder the zip file has been extracted. After a few seconds, your project will be ready. Just run npm start. And voila, you now have the same search interface running locally, and you can easily customize it. Thanks for watching this video on how to create a custom search interface for Elastic App Search. If you'd like to learn more, check out our Elastic App Search Quick Start.